Today's animatronic review is on the Seasonal Visions 2026 Crackles. Before this video starts, please like, share, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Now on to the video. So here is the box.
And it came in
This shipping box.
which we'll put it back in there just to preserve the...
Yeah, and like Jeremy Jaws, we ordered this one the day he came out.
Okay. So here is, he's over 6 foot tall. They emphasize that on the box. So anyway, it says Spirit. Of course, it's from Spirit. Crackles. Durable outdoor rated design. Inner mouth moves in a realistic talking motion. Inside eyes light up with red LEDs. Speaks 4 lines and plays Calliope music?
Calliope music.
Calliope, thank you. I gotta have my son to tell me that. Durable box and slide out tray with easy repacking, over 6 foot tall. And then it says head turns and cracks, open to reveal sinister face. And then I like that these bigger boxes have the handles.
Yeah.
And then here's a QR code. And then on the side here it says head turns and cracks open to reveal sinister face. And then it says speaks 4 lines and plays
Calliope music.
Thank you. All right. Now we'll do the
backstory.
All right. Crackles. Crackles was a carnival clown with a porcelain mask and a smile too wide to be real. He was famous for never removing his mask. Children laughed, adults shivered, but no one ever saw what lay underneath. His sinister true face sits beneath and whispers cruel jokes and dark commands. One night, someone touched his cheek and his mask broke open, hideously smiling, watching. He just turned and vanished into the dark. The next morning, the person who touched him was gone. No trace, no sound. Now Crackle's mask has a new crack. If you ever see his true face, don't look directly at him because he kills those who make eye contact. Now it says IR sensor activated, audio, 5.9 volt, volume controlled included, of course. Slide out repacking tray. This one is outdoor rated. Compatible with all external activators, which are sold separately, of course. Battery adapter compatible, sold separately.
And this guy does not have an external speaker jack.
Which
is kind of a bummer, so you gotta have to modify this guy to...
Okay. And then on this diagram it says stand 6 foot 6 inches at his tallest point. I'm assuming because of his hair. That's where the 6 inch comes in. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Oh, yeah. How much was he?
$250.
Okay. And then we drove by one of our local spirits yesterday on June the 26th.
Yeah.
And tell them what you want.
They are starting to set up.
Woohoo, we're so excited. But okay, let's open them up and show you the parts.
So here's what is inside the box. Got the instructions and all those stuff like that, and we'll
take the parts out and show you, make sure we have everything before we start setup.
Yeah. So we got all the parts out and we do have everything. We got the control box with head turning mechanism. The stakes, which are the U-shaped stakes. The spine frame. The head.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah. The clothes. The leg foam.
No, those are the arms.
Okay, sorry.
Love the shoes. Why do we love the shoes, Connor?
Can't even crush these things.
Yeah, that's on top of them. The adapter. Leg
The
poles.
leg poles.
The hands. And now the
leg foam.
And then of course the
base.
All right.
So
let's get started putting them together.
Yeah. So it looks like the first step is what do we have to do, Mom?
We're gonna have to put the shoes on the leg poles. Okay, so we're gonna do this way.
Yeah.
You hold the shoe in that, and we're gonna go down. And this is B on. So you looking at is gonna be on the right side.
Yeah.
I don't think it really matters. And then you go put it down. And then there's a little loop on the frame to put
Groove.
the groove. Thank you. And then again the groove. That look okay to you?
Yeah, that looks
All
good.
right. So then next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put the leg foam on. Do you want to put the leg foam on?
Yeah, sure. This one's labeled I.
Okay. I guess all the leg foam would be.
And this one does not have a label, so I'm assuming
So
false.
it doesn't matter, I don't think. So you want to put both of them on there for us?
Sure. Just gonna put that one.
And the next thing will be his pants, which I'll take the.
Nope, this one.
Yeah, just keep putting it down. It'll go down.
Oh. There, it's.
Okay. And then next we're putting the pants on. I always put just like a normal person.
Yeah.
You could have stayed over there. So, there you go.
And the pants have that outdoor rated.
Yeah, you can definitely tell that, yes. And I'm just gonna kind of just guide it down over the foam and all. Yeah, good quality, again, good quality material. Alright, so I got that down and just push the pants down a little bit. So I'm thinking that you can stay there. The module will be next, which it will be.
And the module, the hip frame, and the head thing is all one piece.
Oh, all one piece. Connor wanted to make sure that you guys noticed. Again, this is self-explanatory. The speaker, usually always, Connor taught me that, goes to the front.
Yeah.
But then the push pins will also tell you. So you want to line that up there.
Yeah.
No, hold hold this. And then I'm just going to push. And then we're going to push down. All right. Okay. And this one, unlike JJ, I will notice that this is here.
Yeah.
Okay. So on the back of the module.
Can you actually show them the...
Okay, sure. Connor wants me to show you guys the actual module. I did at the beginning there, but Connor wants me to show you again.
Yeah, more.
Okay, you see what far we are. But then he wants to show. Again, Connor says you can tell this is kind of outdoor rated, but what is this for?
This is to cover the Try Me thing.
Oh, because it is outdoor rated.
Yeah, so.
Here's the volume control. And then we have
outdoor rated.
And the little switch to turn on and all that is covered.
What?
Yeah, that weather.
Yeah, and the adapter's a screw-on thing.
The adapter's a screw-on thing.
So.
All right. So, okay. We'll get that. Okay. Yeah. So we'll go ahead and I'll have Connor go ahead and plug in the adapter.
Yeah.
While we're back here, and then I'll screw it on. If you just get that on.
And the adapter is it is the screw-on thing. Here's the little not voltage thing, but it's like a brick to protect the
cover,
the wires and stuff like that.
Oh, okay. Not just your average household type.
Indoor rated. And it's in there.
Kind of got in there, and I'll go ahead and screw it on.
I already screwed it on.
You screwed it on?
Yeah.
Dang, what are you doing over there? Before you know it, Connor will not need his mother assistant.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So now we're gonna need to do the. Connor already did the adapter. We're gonna pull the. You want to pull the pants over the hip
sure.
loop, and we'll get the shirt on. Let's make sure this is out so I don't get caught. Wait, let's get that Spencer out there so I don't get that caught on something. Connor already did that. We're gonna do the zip tie and do this, so we'll be ready to plug it in when we get to that point.
Yeah.
Okay, now just pull it down. So make sure it, use two hands there so it won't pull it up. Go ahead, pull it up. So don't. And then we're up.
I'm only gonna pull it out this far, so. Good.
All right, so this, I'm just gonna throw it over here and I just do the collar Velcro first because I know I'm gonna be having to get back here and put arms in and stuff.
Yeah.
So, but it helps to hold it there. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and put the
Sensor.
yeah before I get all this going because then I'll forget usually.
Yeah.
Okay, they did put the Velcro in the right place this time. Unlike
Jeremy Jaws.
Got a little issue there. Go back and see our video what the issue we had with that.
Yeah.
Okay, so Jay is going to go on the left side, which will be, if you're watching the video, be on the right.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking the hooks are pretty much,
Yeah.
you're just going to slide it up in there. Can you just pull that down
Yeah,
on me
sure.
while I try to hook this up? You got it? Okay, that's good for right now. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and hook it up and then you can finish while I get the other arm if you want to.
Yeah, sure.
There you go. All right, you can see where they're beneficial. So,
Yeah.
okay. I like his little,
The pom-poms, they're not.
I'm gonna call them pom-pom. That's
Yeah,
it.
they're not your stationary. These kind of remind you of your, like, these are like bath thingies. Those like.
What are they? Scrunchies or scrunchies or whatever. Okay, I'm gonna put.
We'll put a name on the.
There you go. Not that you guys are taking a bath while you're watching this, but anyway. So I'm gonna put M.
Yeah.
On his right arm.
Yeah.
And it does have a cotter fin. So. Now, sometimes I have found that you just gotta kind of, sometimes it's not spread out just perfect to get the prongs on. And it looks like this will be set case scenario.
Yeah.
So, right now I'm just gonna put it on and the cotter in on.
Yeah.
And so we can get that. And then I'm just gonna push his, oops. Yeah, and sometimes they're known to fly off when I'm working with them.
Yeah.
And so, and then I am just gonna, there's no Velcro on him. All right, and then, well, that's a good point. I like, yeah. I'll put the cotter pin on this one. Pull the sleeve up and over his hand. Okay.
You want to show them the halfway point?
Okay. All right. So this is just, we put the shirt on, of course. arms, hands. And so this is what we're looking at right now.
Yeah.
And then, okay, so I'm guessing we'll do the head and the spot. What is it called? The spine plate or the back plate?
Yeah, the spine frame.
Spine, okay. And what's your take on that? Why do they use that?
I think they do it so like the back can be filled up. So it can actually have a back structure.
Okay.
Because I know on the older ones, like Towering Clown, he just had like a long spoon thingy. Weird.
Oh.
It's like a weird, it was like a curly thing.
Okay.
And it was only, but they upgraded so it has.
They upgraded.
Yeah. So.
Okay, his head is kind of heavy, but if you haven't seen a demo, you'll figure out why shortly.
Did you take off the little?
There are 3 wires.
Did you?
Yes.
Okay, sorry.
No, you're fine. The plastic you meant?
Yeah. The thing that holds his head from the thing that holds his head from not opening and closing.
I don't see anything. You take a look.
Oh, I guess they already took them off while they're. So.
All right, and the wires are pretty much color coded.
Yeah.
Blue to blue. And they had the little help me, Connor, to screw it.
Okay, so the wires are we had trouble putting them on, but the half of the wires have that outdoor covering, and some of them just have the normal indoor.
So we're kind of confused. Well, yeah, I mean, they're heavier duty, but you just push them on versus having the screw cover. So we were kind of
So the next step the last 2 steps we're going to put on is the spine frame and the ruffle. So.
Line it up right there. All right. Let me get the collar on. And it has a bunch of Velcro, so you can...
And make sure it doesn't get caught on the...
Yes. So I'm going to put you have Velcro up here. Oh, they did put tape. I see what you're saying. So will we need to tape this when we store it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, Connor was saying, I'm sorry, about make sure it's not caught up in his
mechanism.
Okay. And there is Velcro on his side and on the front here, so you can kind of...
Yeah.
Oh, do I need to fix his hair? Does he matter? Does he does he want to be groomed?
No.
I guess he's kind of crazy, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess we're going to get to our first reaction.
Yeah.
You want me to go ahead and plug it in?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. And I had the volume on halfway.
Yeah.
All right. Here we go, guys. First reaction, first everything.
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah! I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show. just for you. Now try not to scream too much. Something's missing, but the show must go on. I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims.
Or go behind him. Go behind him.
So, what do I think of this guy? He is so awesome. I would say he is one of the contenders of being the best clown animatronic of the year besides Neon Nightmare. Do you want to go over his details?
Yeah, I think we kind of covered almost everything. Just the hair is... I kind of like it without the plastic. This neon member had this plastic. Definitely the details of the cracks are very, very well. His makeup is good. The blood splattered on his collar.
Yeah, they actually went with pretty good detail on the...
Typical classic, like white, the color of the white of the paint on there.
Yeah. And the colors on his outfit is like antique circus type of...
Right. And definitely heavy duty frame too.
Yeah. So...
Okay. Well, I'm glad you guys are watched. Please do what you need to do.
Yeah.
And stay tuned.
And stay tuned.
Thank you.
Bye.